Good afternoon. I decided to follow the suggestion of Flo. Flo is my loctician. I shared a picture of me as a loose natural with 2-strand twists on Facebook. And I'm going to share that picture somewhere in the video. And she suggested that I recreate it with Sisterlocks. So that's what I'm doing right now. I started working on it. And then I said, hey, make a video. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to show you the back and what I've done so far. Okay. So I flat twist the first one and then I braided the second. Yes. And I'm using my trusty goodie clip to hold it in place right here. So I'm going to do another one. And I'm going to make it as straight as possible, my parts, but I'm not going to stress about it. And as I move along, I'm going to add that twist or that braid. I'm connecting those braids at the end as best I can. Alright guys, this is where it gets a little bit tricky. I'm going to go ahead and take this out. I have an idea of how I want to do this. Now that I've started with this braid, that I am going to try to just braid the rest of the ends in. I'm trying. Okay, that first flat twist is trying to come loose and I can feel it. I might need to make an adjustment. Well, maybe not. I'm going to push the end into the flat twist. Hopefully I have got a black goodie clip right here. So I pushed all that in. I'm taking these braids, not these braids, but I'm taking these Sisterlocks down. And this is the look that I'm going for. You'll see it. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, family. I love my subscribers. I love my followers. And I especially love God because he's been so good to me. He's been better to me than I could ever think to be to myself. Have a great day.